It's your third sleepless night in a row, but not because of anxiety, because of excitement. You've just finished your very first business plan. On this Excel sheet, everything looks perfect. 50,000 in revenue the first month, double that the next, and by the end of the year, you'll be financially free. But let's fast forward 6 months. The brutal truth hits. 0 customers. Cash flow is dead, and that beautiful business plan is now just a piece of scrap paper. Why did this happen? You worked hard, you had passion, you had a great idea. The real reason you failed isn't the market, it's your mindset right at the start. You made the fatal mistake of the 99%. You planned for success. Sounds crazy, right? But when you only focus on the winning scenario, you become blind to the deadly traps waiting for you. In business, if you want to look up, sometimes you have to look down first. Today, I won't teach you how to make millions. I'm going to teach you reverse thinking, how to create a plan so you can not fail. Section 2, Inversion Thinking. First, let's get comfortable with a concept called inversion. Usually when opening a cafe or an online shop, the first question you ask is, how do I get the most customers in town? That is the wrong question. Because it relies on positive assumptions that haven't happened yet. Flip it around. Ask yourself, what would have to happen to guarantee my business dies in 3 months? I'm serious. List them out. 1. The coffee tastes terrible. 2. Staff are rude to guests. 3. Running out of cash for rent. 4. Opening when people are at work, closing when they get off. Once you list the causes of death, your job isn't to dream about success anymore. It's to go and plug every single one of those holes. Billionaire Charlie Munger once said, "All I want to know is where I am going to die, so I'll never go there." Instead of planning to win, plan to not lose. Because in a startup, if you survive long enough, success will find you. Section 3. SELL Painkillers, not vitamins. The second mistake of forward thinking is creating the product first, then looking for customers. You bake a cake that tastes good to you, then you try to beg the world to buy it. The reverse thinking here is, don't sell vitamins, sell painkillers. Vitamins are nice to have. If you don't take them, you won't die. Customers buy vitamins when they are happy and have extra cash. They are a must-have. People buy them when they are suffering and need a solution now. When planning, don't ask, what cool features does my product have? Ask, where is my customer hurting? For example, don't just open a cleaning service. Look at busy people. What is their pain? Is it the fear of strangers stealing their stuff? Is it the fear of a messy job? If you solve the fear of theft with a 200% compensation guarantee in camera monitoring, that is a painkiller. You won't need to beg. Customers will come to you to heal that pain. Section 4. Via negativa, the art of subtraction, finally. The most important mindset to prevent burnout, subtraction. New entrepreneurs often suffer from greed. Greedy for features, greedy for customers, greedy for marketing channels. You want to sell to everyone? You want to be on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram all at once. Complexity is the enemy of execution. Reverse thinking teaches us to go faster, carry less luggage. A perfect business plan isn't when there is nothing left to add, but when there is nothing left to take away. Look at your plan and strike things out. Cross out the customer groups that don't bring profit. Cross out the expensive, unnecessary features. Keep only the one core thing you do best. Doing one thing excellently is better than doing 10 things average. In business, focus is power. My friends, reverse thinking is not pessimism. It is the ruthless preparation of logic to protect the dreams of emotion. Business is not a gamble if you know how to control the risks from day one. Right after this video, I have a small exercise for you. Stop writing that $1 million plan. Take a blank sheet of paper and write the title. How will my project fail miserably? Write down 5 things and find a way to block them today. That is the shield that protects your career. If you found this perspective useful, leave a comment sharing the biggest hole you just discovered. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next videos with more breakthrough mindsets. For now, start by not failing. Goodbye and good luck.